Greetings, CUIN 7316 students, and welcome to Module 8. In this module, we're not taking on any new learning necessarily. This is all about your opportunity to show off the learning that you've made over the past several weeks as we've been digging into blended learning. So your assignment this week is to create a blended learning module in the course that you created earlier in week 3. So if you remember, you made a homepage and you're now going to build into that course. I recommended you use Canvas, and if you did use Canvas, I've got some great resources for you inside of this week's module. So the very first thing you're going to do after you've watched this video is you're going to go to this OER assignment explanation, and you're going to check out this brief video where I walk you through the assignment requirements for the OER project assignment that you're going to submit for this week's content. You can also click on this link that'll give you a PDF of the PowerPoint that I walk you through. The thing I want to highlight here is that the point of this OER assignment is for you to create an online educational resource that would be valuable and would be purposeful in a real-world situation. So this could be something that you would do inside of your actual classroom if you're a teacher, or if you're a trainer or a professional, something you would use in those environments. And it actually be useful for you. I want you to show off the things that you've learned throughout this module though. So if you remember this module, we talked about creating instructional videos and how to do screencast narrations and things like that. We talked about developing personalized learning experiences with formative assessments. So whenever you watch this little video, you're going to see that those are expectations that I see inside of the modules that you develop for this course. Now, to clarify what I'm talking about with the module, I'm going to jump back to week 4 here. Modules are this idea of curating the learning experience for your students. So we start off with module 4 here, and then as we move through, I give let me come back to this. So module 4, I give you, every single week, you hopefully are used to this, where I start off with an introductory video explaining that week's content, and then you jump into some sort of learning experience, whether it be reading like this example, or whenever you move on to this. Actually, that was a little bit more reading. Let's see here. This included a visual for you to explain that. But then a lot of weeks, I'm not seeing it in this module, would also maybe include some video learning, something like that. And so that's what I want to see from you in developing those modules. Hopefully you've seen me modeling those to you throughout this course, so you understand it's the curation of learning in a specific order, or something that you can tackle out of order, but it's just making those learning experiences available to the students in a sequential, purposeful order. So going back to this assignment, you're going to be building that inside of your Canvas course. To help you out with building that Canvas course, those modules inside of there, I've grabbed a Canvas video tutorial that talks about how to build modules inside of Canvas. It's about 13 minutes, so a little bit long, but it does a really good job of walking you through that process. But then there's also lots and lots of written instructions. If you actually go to this link here, it takes you to all of these great resources on how to build modules inside of Canvas. I grabbed 4 of them that I think would be particularly helpful for all of you, but if you want to really dig into how to build these things inside of Canvas, you're going to click on that link there and review all of these resources here. But you don't have to. I think those 4 things I grabbed for you will get you most of the way. This video is really good too. And then the last thing here is that you're going to then complete the assignment. It's 100 points. So that is Module 8. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a great spring break if I don't get to chat with you before then. Thanks.